Hi, welcome to Error Window channel. Today I am going to give solution to Camtasia player problem. So while playing video, sometimes you will get the black screen. So I am going to import one video and drag it into a one track. And while playing video, you will see the blank screen on player, but the video is playing below. So to resolve this problem, you need to go edit option and click on preferences. After clicking on preferences, you need to go advanced option, and inside that advanced option there is a hardware acceleration menu. This problem is mainly occur due to the graphics drivers installed on your system. So currently I am using the NVIDIA graphics. So I need to resolve this problem, I need to change the option to use software mode only. So click on the first option and just click on OK. And after that, just turn off the Camtasia Studio. Now I have successfully restarted Camtasia Studio. So I will going to import one video and see the result. Now I can see video successfully playing in Camtasia Studio. So follow the step as per I mentioned. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.